Hey everybody. All those sticks you see laying alongside the rocket stove are tulip poplar from a wind we had blow through. I picked those up out of the yard. We're going to cook with those sticks today, and we're going to cook enough sausages for 6 people. We've got company coming. Okay, I'm picking it up with the rocket stove up. Show you it weighs somewhere between 5 and 10 pounds. They're light if you wanted to go camping or hiking. They take it with you. They work fine. I made this one out of a Freon tank. Uh, It's insulated around the outer shell, so it doesn't. You can put it on a picnic table. It doesn't get hot. It just gets warm to the touch. All right, I put the small sticks in first to get it going. Once the riser pipe gets hot, any smoke that you're making to start it, just the smoke reignites, so you get next to no smoke at all once it gets going, which just takes basically just a couple minutes. Now what I'm putting in the bottom is 3 cotton balls that are saturated with Vaseline. Uh, they burn good and hot. You push them up in there and they get the wood going. I've yet to have a failure with it. They light it off every time. There, see the smoke coming out? That'll disappear very, very shortly. Okay, smoke is gone. Yeah, man, we're seeing flame. Okay. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain a little bit. I'm afraid we're going to have to move it in. Okay, we'll be back when she starts cooking here in a minute. Yeah, bye. Okay, I put a little bit of spray on the griddle to get her hot. She's getting ready to get the sausages on. There they are. We're putting those on here shortly. Griddle's getting good and hot. I don't know whether you can see up in there or not. We do have flame coming up out of the pipe. Yeah, there it is. And we're still only using just some old sticks I broke up. Good part about it is you don't need charcoal, you don't need propane. It'll burn just the sticks from the woods. Be back in a minute when you get cooking. Just getting up the temperature good. Takes a while to get that whole griddle plate going. It's taking about 10 minutes to get up the temperature. There's a flame coming up through there. And there's the wood burning down there in the wood section. The bottom you never put wood in because that's where the air goes in to cause the rocket effect, which causes the flame and the lack of smoke. The smoke you see up here is mainly coming off the griddle and off the sausages. We'll get back in a minute. Pretty good. We're starting to cook pretty good here now. Thank you. You can probably hear them sizzling. Been cooking for about 15 minutes. Get plenty of flame coming up. I've gone to bigger sticks of wood. It's kind of funny how the workbench came from Eddie Gant's auction, Hiwassee, Georgia, as did the little sausage turners and the griddle. So we're going to eat pretty much courtesy of Eddie Gant's auction. I'll be back when I get done a little bit more. Here we go. This thing would probably, these sausages of course were all raw. This probably would do. You're going to do some bacon and then throw some eggs on them. Turn the griddle over to the flat side. It would probably do those up, I would expect, probably from cold start to finish probably in 10-15 minutes. You'd probably get them done because it is really perking along right now. You notice there's no smoke. The only smoke is what's coming off the sausages. Well, they're just about done. I can't tell you how good they smell. I wish our company would get here. I'm going to have to take them off before they get here, I guess. We still got flame, and we got some bigger sticks in there now. Hey ladies and gentlemen, folks, I hope you enjoyed that video. Some of them I like, some I'm not crazy about, but once they're on the camera and I go to editing, you get what you get. If you did like it, I've got over 150 other videos posted. You go down here, at the end, this little blurb on the end, there'll be a thumbs up symbol come up, little icon. If you click on that, it'll take you to the rest of my videos. At the bottom of this video, if you give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. Write a comment. If you don't like it, write a comment, then maybe I can change things. Thanks for watching. Take care.